Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to get the mushroom lantern and a short review of how it looks. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to collect 30 mushrooms. If you don't know how to get them yet, just check the link in the description for the full guide. And next, after you have all 30 mushrooms, just go to this NPC for a chat and then just tap on talk and then I have found all your mushroom. Just tap on it like this and then you will get the mushroom lantern. Just go to settings icon and then just tap on view on the lantern skins like this and then you will get the mushroom lanterns. This one, just equip them and then it will look like this. The lantern looks like this. It has a cute mushroom designs, but at the same time it looks really cool and unique like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.